Hey, what's up crew? I got some Jordan 1s, a bunch of dunks we're gonna check out today, a few different apparel items. But hey, first, what do you think about these dunks I'm wearing for work? Oh my goodness, they just like make this fit so great. I feel so fresh being a postal carrier, you know, wearing my uniform, but hey, rocking some fresh kicks. Obviously the Polar Tech Supreme hat, always keeping me warm. Got the face shield I can snap on and all that. Check out that video if you want. But anyways, I'm gonna go clean up and I'll get back down here and we'll open up some hype shit.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
Okay, that was refreshing. That was nice. Yeah, my hair just might be crazy, whatever. I don't really mess with my hair too much lately because at work I'm just wearing a hat. At home I'm gonna grow it out. But yeah, so we're gonna keep looking at different hype stuff that I pick up for you to be aware of everything that's going on. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification little emblem thing, hit the like button on this video. I know it's kind of hard to do. A lot of people don't know how to press the like button, but it's just down there. It's like a thumbs down and a thumbs up if you like the video. Thumbs up if you don't like it. I mean, you can thumbs down. And yeah, we're getting into this box from GOAT. These are my last pair of Nike Dunks that I have not opened yet. I opened up these ones from GOAT. Very slick. These are so nice looking. I need to clean the laces a little bit. It's kind of brown right there. But for the most part, they're doing really well. Pick these mids up as well. Trying to touch the bottoms. These are the Nike SB Pro Sea Crystals. Yeah, look at that. The color is just amazing, really great. Work with a bunch of different fits. Glad to pick up that pair. They look nice, a little bit beat. This pair as well. I mean, I could clean them up some. Yeah, these are, that's a dope colorway. But anyways, I was just about to get these out of here. Oh, there's a box with this pair. All right, yeah, most of the Dunks I've been buying don't have any boxes. Here's our label. There it is. Dunk Low. This one here is all black. So let's see what kind of quality. Hey, not bad. I was thinking they were gonna look a lot more rough. So yeah, a little bit of fraying on the tongue, it looks like. That nice white swoosh is what drew me, and then the gum bottoms. I was just like, all right, I'm gonna have to try and get that pair. And then the dude accepted my offer, so that was pretty dope. And then GOAT is giving this new verification card in all of their items. And so what I do is, if there's stickers on the shoes, here it is, that little sticker right there, that's a GOAT sticker. If I buy a pair of shoes from GOAT and there's no box, I'll take the stickers off the shoe and put them on whatever GOAT certification card that I have. And they give you some GOAT stickers. Looks like it's just one GOAT sticker this time. That's alright though. I've got a couple already. So yeah, these ones, we've got this suede on here. And then we have like this reinforced material around the toe, and you got suede all over, all black suede on the back here. Really nice and durable suede for sure. I mean, these shoes are not new by any means. They have aged pretty well though. Let's just go ahead and see. I'm basically wearing the perfect fit for these shoes. I mean, sort of the perfect fit. But yeah, size 10.5, that's my regular size, and these fit just perfect. I mean, I gotta lace them up, right? One thing about Dunks is that they really grab your foot, like right here, right where the lines are on the sole. Yeah, with every Dunk that I wear, I can feel that right in there. It's not that bad. Just be aware of it. I'm actually ordering a pair of Dunk Highs in size 11. I'm gonna get those in, just kind of see what the difference is between 11 and 10.5. I mean, most of the times when I've bought in skate shoes in the past, like I had a pair of P-Rod SBs, and those ones I bought in 11. They were, yeah, they just never broke into my foot. 10.5 is more of the perfect size for me. So there's your tidbit on Dunks. If you're wondering about sizing, they're extremely true to size. Might want to go up half a size if you have a bit of a wider foot. This shirt is a Kid Cudi Cactus Plant Flee Market t-shirt. I thought it was pretty dope when I first saw it, so I had to pick it up, check it out. Looks like I do have a receipt from the Moon Man himself, or his brand anyways, and this tee does come shrink wrapped. I'll show you guys the sticker tags on the outside of it. There's the one sticker tag down there at the bottom, and then they did cut off the tag and print on their own tag on the back of the neck. Even have some warning information and whatnot in there. So there we go. It is a thicker collar for sure. The graphic on there is pretty dope. I really like Kid Cudi, listening to his music basically ever since he started releasing music, or at least, you know, the first Moon Man release back when I was first learning about the wonderful green flower and whatnot. This next one, let's see, which one should I do? I'll do the Antisocial Social Club tea first. This is that fire tea that they released. Today they actually released the plant tea, or the tree tea, or whatever. It's kind of similar to this. Last week was the ice version, but the first version was this flamin' hot version, and I had to grab it. The graphic was just so dope. The tags on this plastic. This one is shrink wrapped, all sealed up as well. You do have a size large sticker up there, and then you got your print in there. I don't know. It seems like maybe this print might be a little bit better quality than some of their other previous prints that they've done, but I mean, it looks like a fairly nice quality ink, because I hear that some people, after a few washes, their Antisocial Social Club prints are actually flaking off or slowly just coming off in general, and you are definitely going to want to wash any of your streetwear, anything that you care about, the printed on logos or graphics. You're really going to want to make sure you wash those on a really delicate setting, maybe even spot wash, because I mean, like, even if you buy vintage tee, the graphic is all distorted and messed up. Like, that's just what happens with all clothes and all inks. They're not going to stick to that fabric super well 100% of the time. I mean, you just can't expect that. But yeah, wash on a colder cycle, low heat for sure, air dry if you can. And yeah, we're breaking into some Psychworld now. This bag finally came in. Actually, it didn't take that long, honestly, to ship. We have our receipt first off. They said they were giving away some free gifts. I don't know if I got anything they were talking about, but I did get couple of motion logos. Motion, I guess I should call those motion logos. And then I got some rolling papers. There's, yeah, a couple of rolling papers in there, and it's all Psychworld branded. Slow burn, 1 1/4. Yeah. And then, let's see if I can get this out of here. Here it is. Here is our Psychworld shoulder bag. This one is not sealed up totally, you know, it's just got that sticker seal, so I'm gonna open it up. Actually, I'll show you guys the little sticker label down at the bottom. I know some people like to see those for legit checking purposes and whatnot. Warning information on the back. So that's what your plastic is looking like. And then, what is in here? Oh, a bunch of paper probably. Or no, wait, the strap has to be in there. Yeah, there's your jelly Psychworld logo. It's super, super jelly. Yeah, all super rubbery, transparent rubber, and then the black rubber, and then the green rubber on top. You have your one pocket down below, right there, or along the side. You have a back pocket. What? You have a little secret back pocket there. Why not? And then we'll open it up. Looks like we got a couple of different strap options. We have our green with reflected Psychworld all over the place, and we have our black with that reflective Psychworld. And these straps actually feel super heavy duty. These feel really heavy, these little hooks, which is great because, like, my Supreme bag, shoulder bag I was wearing, I still wear sometimes, but I don't go out as often because of pandemic and whatnot. This thing, the side thing broke because it just wasn't created that well. This is a Cordura one. But yeah, so we have another pocket on the inside, a zipper pocket on that side, and then we have just a pocket with no zipper at all, just a loose pocket in there on that front side. So I'll go ahead, I'll just hook these right on there. Pretty easy, right? Super, super, super easy. What do you guys think? I don't know how well it works with this outfit. I definitely need to make it longer. There we go. That might be better. Yeah, I feel like it's a pretty dope bag. It's nice. It was only like 40 bucks or like $48 after shipping. So a good grab. I don't know if anybody else picked up anything from that Psychworld drop. Obviously, they've had a bunch of drops. They could have had more since this drop. I'll put the straps back in the bag. And we'll look at our last item, the Jordans. Yes, the Jordan 1s arrived pretty quickly actually, but you know, I've been working a lot, haven't had some free nights. Actually, they came in like the day after I did my last video with those other blue dunks that, well, kind of back there, you can kind of see them. This knife only opens boxes. That's all it's ever done. That's all it's ever seen. I don't know, do knives need to see stabbing? I mean, what do they need to cut? Like, what makes them feel fulfilled? I don't know. Why am I thinking about the life of a knife? We should write a story about the life of a knife and what a knife would do and what a knife's family would look like. And yeah, if he would ever mess with a spoon or a fork or if he stays with just knives. All right, we're getting a little sidetracked. My mind is, yeah, whatever. These are women's 12 because that's the size I needed to be a 10.5 in men's. There's your label right on the box. You know, we have all of our branding for Nike, our trademark information, and then we do have the sneaker. There it is. Look at how shiny that is. This Jordan 1 is actually called, or this silver is called crinkle silver. So I don't know if it's like that shattered backboard. No, it's not really. But there's like that orange pair of shattered backboard, and those are super crinkly. They do give you a set of super silvery laces. Those are really perfect for anybody who wants to be even more shiny than these silver toes actually are. Jordan is just basically taking the gold toe model that was very successful and redoing it as the silver toe, and that's what you got. So it's super clean, super fresh looking. The one shoe does have this nice leather hang tag with that silver ink all over it. It's even double layered, so it's extra thick on there. They really stamped that logo in there, Nike Air. You know, a little bit of imperfection on some little spots with gluing and everything, but it's hard to be super crazy good on quality and details when you have a ton of shoes you're pushing out. Overall, they definitely did a good job. So let me know what you think about my latest pickups, my Jordan 1s, and my all the dunks that I grabbed. So many dunks. I'm even wearing a pair right now. Why don't I just put this one up here too? There we go. I got 4 pairs of dunks. I got more coming too. Oh, and where's my postal? My postal dunks are down here. I really enjoy the color blocking. So, I mean, I still like the all-in-one. That white swoosh is really nice on that pair of dunks. I got rid of that other Jordan pack. What was it? Like Jordan Premium SB Dunk or whatever. Those were cool though. I skated in those quite a bit. Anyways, before I let you go, I'm gonna shoot some news at you. Looks like Yeezy is going all out with this new color, just full transparent, this thread that they've been using on the stripe. Now they're just putting on the whole upper, and the inside cage is totally different on these new 350s. They look pretty dope. And then the new 470s have surfaced, the official images from Adidas. They look super sick. I cannot wait to possibly grab a pair. I really liked this design way back when Kanye first showed us sketches, and I just couldn't wait for it to release. I really like the top view, just kind of all those spikes on there. Side view, I don't know, looks like a weird sock with venom live organism trying to grab your foot. It's so weird. It's like an alien trying to grab your foot while it's in a sock on the side view. Yeah, it's crazy. And then I have biohacks coming as well, the Jordan 1 biohacks. And they're basically just like the latest updated version 15 years later from that Nike Dunk that Undefeated did, their collaboration way back when. And yeah, look at this baby. When you've just been born, but it's a game you've already beaten. This baby looks like he's just like way too deep of thought. Extremely deep thought. And he looks like he's beyond his years. He looks like he's been through a lot. And I mean, maybe he has. He's in this weird ICU thing or whatever, or special bed. Maybe it's not ICU, but. And then look at this DIY, this drink trolley. Wow, this lady totally redid this amazing globe looking piece of wooden art that's antique and totally turned it into this bedazzled structure with a dome. Yeah, don't do that. Or maybe it might work out for you with your situation. But for this lady's situation, she didn't make that thing any better. She ruined it because it looked so vintage and classy and elegant, and I mean, it almost looks like it's maybe worth something. And now this new one looks like it's a discounted IKEA item that somebody went to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or whatever craft store and basically threw the whole craft store at it. Yeah, so that was pretty funny. Definitely good to have different things that make you smile, give you some positive energy. We got to make sure we're not taking ourselves too seriously. I mean, everybody around the whole universe is individualizing themselves and their lives, and how their life situation is totally different from everybody else's, and you probably feel the same way about yours. I mean, I kind of feel like mine is totally different. There are a lot of people out there with similar backgrounds to mine or have done similar things that I have done or whatnot. That doesn't make us similar or the same. We're all unique and totally separate. So let's just really appreciate those differences that different people around us have, because all those differences make a more diverse community where we can do a lot more different things and different people can help with different areas of people's lives. And yeah, let's just create a community environment where we're looking out for one another and just trying to lift the mood wherever we can, wherever we can get that little point in there. You know, if it's just like growing a mustache because people think it's funny and silly, or because you want to be trendy, like, I mean, come on, dude. Or like, it's all right if you're cool with it. If it's something that you enjoy, then don't care what other people are saying about it. I mean, if other people aren't into it, that's okay. If it's not hurting anybody, then I say you're good. I mean, like a tattoo, it might hurt a little bit, but afterwards you got a piece of art, and it takes some time, you know, to save up the funds maybe, or to sit through the tattoo session, but then afterwards, totally worth it, and you're glad you did it. So just take that first step. If there's anything you want to see happen in your life, you just gotta get after it. I mean, I've got a patent that I'm working on right now. It's really slow moving. We missed a meeting last Friday, which puts us back another week, but hopefully in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't really mess with things too much, which it probably won't. So anyways, that is very exciting. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be playing some basketball. I can't wait to get back on the court just with some friends, you know, just some pickup games. They rented out a gym. Yeah, it's really hard to play basketball, especially when it's super freezing outside, like -degrees like it is here. Plus, when you play outside here, it's super dirty all the time because it's crazy windy. So the wind is always blowing dust onto the court when you're playing outdoors. And so like when you're dribbling, you know, when you go to shoot, all that dust kind of comes off the ball into my eyes, I feel like. I just cannot deal with playing outside. I mean, I can deal with it, but I would rather play indoors. So yeah, with COVID, gyms are shut down. We rented a gym. A bunch of us are gonna go over there. It's been the first time I picked up a basketball, dribbled around, shot around. Feels like a super long time, so. Should be fun though. I really don't need the exercise with my job, but you know, I enjoy hooping, so I'm gonna go do that. And yeah, keep me posted with whatever you guys are up to, different pickups you grab, different pickups you're interested in. If you have any questions, definitely hit me up and I'll try to answer them when I can. So anyways, I love y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, going try to get a pill. Ever since I changed my